Now I want to make the font bigger. There's two ways you can do it. You could do that with making the font actually bigger with the font size, or you could transform it. Let's do the transform. That's kind of fun. Command T transforms. You'll see the bounding box around the word. Do a Option and click and drag out from the center, and then you can kind of center it too when you're doing this. Then press Return. If you want the letters bigger, we're going to have to put this sentence on 2 lines. Click in the middle of the sentence, and let's put the word listen on the next row by pressing Return. You may have a lot of space between the 2 sentences like I do, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. That extra space between the 2 sentences is called leading. You're going to be dealing with this a lot when you're in graphic design. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Click on the Move tool, and then click on the Type tool again. In the top options, click on this little icon right here. It's called Toggle Character and Paragraph Panels. We're going to use the Character panel. This option right here, where the A is on top of the A, and you see a little arrow that goes up and down. You can click on this and scrub it to the left or the right to give it more space or less space. So we can go less space, check that out. Isn't that great? There we go. So that's called leading when you have space between sentences. And this is how you fix it. Click on the Move tool again. Press Command T to transform one more time. We're going to do an Option drag, and then we'll bring the font down and press Return. Now it's looking good. This lesson will continue in the next video.